Good day, my name is Jay and Ramon, and today I'm going to talk about keywords in C++ and extended ASCII. So first we're going to talk about keywords. So as keywords. Keywords, also known as reserved words, have special meaning to the C++ compiler and are always written or typed in short or lower cases. Keywords are words that a language uses for a special purpose, such as void, int, public, and etc. It can be used for a variable name or function name or any other identifiers. The total count of reserved keywords is 95. So here is the example of keywords in C++. Next are the most common used keywords in C++, such as class, friend, return, this, case, do, long, struct, what. So these are all important as these keywords have special meanings and purposes, such as switch. These keywords is used to test the value of the variable and compare it with different cases. Next is char. Char is the fundamental data type that defines character objects. Next is if. This keyword is used to check the condition. If the condition becomes true, it executes the statement following if. And last is int. Int is a fundamental data type used to define integer objects. So here are the examples on how keywords are used. As you can see, all the keywords are in lower cases. Let's type to run. And that's it for keywords. And next, we're gonna talk about extended ASCII. But before that, let us understand what is ASCII. So ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. ASCII code allows computers to understand how to present text. In ASCII, each binary, letter, number, symbol, or control character is represented by a binary value. Extended ASCII is a version that supports representation of 256 different characters. Meanwhile, the standard ASCII have unique values of 128 alphabetic numeric or special additional characters and control codes. This is because extended ASCII uses 8 bits to represent a character, as opposed to 7 in standard ASCII. The maximum number of characters that can be represented in extended ASCII is 256. So here are the list of extended ASCII from code, character, and description. So ASCII was created to standardize the way of presenting characters. ASCII was the first major character encoding standard for data processing. Most modern computer systems use Unicode, also known as the Unicode Worldwide Character Standard. It's a character encoding standard that includes ASCII encodings.
Thanks, everyone. So in this presentation, we'll be tackling about fundamentals in programming. First, we have arithmetic operators. The basic arithmetic operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Arithmetic is performed according to an order of operations. An operator performs an action on one or more operands. The common arithmetic operators are the plus sign, it is an addition of two numbers. Minus sign, subtraction of two numbers. Asterisk, which I believe a multiplication of two numbers. Slash sign is a division of two numbers. Lastly is percentage. It is said it is a modulus operator. It divides two numbers but returns the remainder. These arithmetic operators are binary. That is, they have two operands. These operands may be either constants or variables. Age plus 1. This expression consists of one operator, which is addition, which has two operands. The first is represented by a variable named age, and the second is a literal constant. If age had a value of 14, then the expression would evaluate or be equal to 15.
Arithmetic assignment operators. There are the meaning of assignment operator. Many programming languages support a combination of the assignment equal and arithmetic operator plus, minus, asterisk, slash, percentage. Various textbooks call them compound assignment operators or combined assignment operator. Their usage can be explained in terms of the assignment operators in the arithmetic operators. And also, assignment operator equal assign the values of its right-hand operands of variable, a property, or an indexer element given by its left-hand operand. The result of an assignment expression is the values assigned to the left-hand operand. The type of the right-hand operand must be the same as the type of the left-hand operand, or implicitly convertible to it. And also equal to. This is the meaning of equal to. The equal to operator return through it both operand have the same value. Otherwise, it return false. The not equal to operator return through it the operands don't have the same value. Otherwise, it returns false. And also, this is the meaning of modulus operator. Modulus operators is the percentile operator denotes the modulus operator in C. This modulus operator is added to arithmetic operators. This modulus operator works between two operands. The modulus operator finds the division with numerator by denominator, resulting in the remainder of the number. Remaining always integers numbers only. If no remainder is there, then it gives you a 0 as the remainder. Like for example, let's consider A and B are two integers. Then the modulus expression becomes A% B returns value possibilities. If A is not completely divisible by B, it produces some non-zero integers value. If A is completely divisible by B, then the remainder becomes 0. If A is some numbers and B is 0, then we get a compile time error. How does modulus operator work in C? The modulus operator works by on the value received by the end user. It always finds the remainder of two numbers with respect to the numerator. The below example will illustrate the exact functionality. And also, this is the example of percentage. 7% 3 gives us remainder as 1 because when we divided 7 by 3, then we get 2 as quotient and 1 as a remainder. Same way, 8% 3 give us the remainder as 2 because when divided 8 by 3, then we get 2 as quotient and 2 as a remainder.
Operator precedence and associativity. Two operator characteristics determine how operands group with operators. Precedence and associativity. Precedence is the priority for grouping different types of operators with their operands. Associativity is the left to right or right to left order for grouping operands to operators that have the same precedence. An operator's precedence is meaningful only if other operators with higher or lower precedence are present. Expressions with higher precedence operators are evaluated first. The grouping of operands can be forced by using parentheses. Relational operators. The relational operators can be used to compare variables, combination of variables, and numbers, or even mathematical operations. The important thing to remember is that when the operation is completed, either true or false comes out. Logical operators. A logical operator is a symbol or word used to connect two or more expressions such that the value of the compound expression produced depends only on that of the original expressions and on the meaning of the operator. Common logical operators include and, or, and not.
Kapag gumawa po tayo ng programming, ito po ang maaari natin gamitin. Language, tingnan lang natin, may Java, JavaScript, and Python, Swift. And also, and, or, na. Tingnan lang natin yan sa ibaba. Ito po ang mga symbol yan para malaman natin po. Then, the vertical dashes or piping symbol is found on the same key as the backslash. You use the shift key to get at it is just above the enter key in most keyboards. It may be a solid vertical line in some keyboard and show as a solid vertical line on some print font. Ito po ang mga example ng relation and logical operators. In most languages, there are strict rules for forming proper logic expression. An example is 6 greater than 4 and 2 is less than equal to 14. And their expression has 2 relational operators and 1 logical operator. Using the precedence of operator rules, the 2 relation comparison operator will be done before the logical and operator. True and true. Then the final evaluation of the expression is true. True and true. We can say this in English as it is true that 6 is greater than 4 and that 2 is less than or equal to 14. When forming logical expression, programmers often use parentheses even when not technically needed to make the logic of the expression very clear and consider the above complex Boolean expression rewriting. 6 is greater than 4 and 2 is less than equal 14. Same way. And most programming languages recognize any non-zero values as true. This make the following a valid expression. 6 greater than 4 and 8. So, but remember, the order of operation in English is 6 greater than 4 and 8 is non-zero. Thus, the answer is true and true. Another example, to compare 6 to both 4 and 8 would instead be written as 6 is greater than 4 and 6 is greater than 8. So this would evaluate to false as. So, makikita natin sa yung una true and the second is false. Kasi pagdating ng 6 is greater than 4 and 6 is greater than, wala siyang kapares, yun is false. And lastly, truth table. A common way to show logic relationship is in truth tables. Logic and X, Y, then X and Y, logic OR. So, tingnan lang natin sa ibaba, may nakalagay false, sa X and Y na false and true. So, ito po ang mga example ng relation and operator, logical and operator. That's all. Thank you.